Good morning to all. So today's topic is 8.4.2 Inserting Graphics Text Art. Inserting Graphics Text Art. First you need to study what you mean by graphics text art. So look at that here. In OpenOffice Writer, some previous text format is there. So you can select from here. Then you can write your own text with this style. So this is called graphics text art. So here just double click here, then you can type your own words instead of this font work. Okay, so that will be appear by like this only. So this is the use of graphics text art. Then how to add or how to insert graphic text means, first we need to just click the font work gallery. One A symbol is there, one rectangular box inside one A is there. That A represent art. So from the drawing toolbar just click there. So if you this is the icon A. So if they click that icon, you can see this type of one dialog box. So then click the text drawing object you want to, then click OK. So here from here you can select one, then click OK. Then just double click the text art, then the object to change, which means that after clicking the OK you will get this type of your selected one. Then just double click on that, then you can type your own words. Then you can resize, change the color and anything you can do with that. Previous day we study with the object, so like that. So this is called graphics text art. So from the font work gallery, drawing toolbar, first select the drawing toolbar, then select, then click OK, then double click here, then type your own words and change the needs. So this is called inserting graphics text art. Next one, 8.4.3 inserting picture from file gallery. So how to insert a picture from file gallery? So click the document you where you want to insert the graphics, then insert a picture from file command. Okay, first click the page where you want to insert the picture, then insert a picture, then from file command, then choose the graph file, then click open. Okay, so then how to insert a picture from gallery? So in gallery, in tools gallery command, one option, other one gallery icon is there in the standard toolbar. In the standard toolbar one gallery icon is there. This is the symbol of gallery icon, or you can move tools gallery. Okay, then once the gallery is open, you can drag and drop object from the gallery to a text document. So from the gallery you can just using mouse just drag and drop that object to your Word document. So this is the way for adding picture from file and picture from gallery. Okay, so next topic is important topic in OpenOffice Writer, and in every time questions coming from this area, find and replace. So this is the main feature of OpenOffice Writer, find and replace. First I am explain what is the meaning of find and replace and what is the use of this. Find and replace means, for example, if you write a paragraph that containing the particular word social science, so but you are misspelled that word social science. That assume that in your that paragraph 100 times the social science is there, 100 times the word social science is there. So you misspell that word in 100 times also. So it is very difficult to correct one by one. Okay, it is very difficult to correct one by one words because 100 times we need to change. So in such a situation we are using find and replace. Find and replace means first you need to find which word you want to replace. For example here social science. So first you need to find the social science word, then replace that word with the correct spelling. So this is the working of find and replace. So we need to study how to, first we need to find how to find a text. So here in the edit menu click find and replace. Here edit menu, find and replace, then you will get this type of window. Then here one option is there, type the search text here. So if which word you want to find, that type here. Okay, then here one option find. So it, find is there, then find all is there. If you click the find, it will display only first match. Find all means it will display all the findings. Okay, so this is the steps for finding the words. So edit menu, find and replace, then search box, type that word, then click find button. Then match case all words means, match case means uppercase and lowercase. If you tick that, only correct matching words only display. Otherwise all words matching display. For example, you apple, you want to search the word apple, apple, so it is written in capital letter, then you just click on match cases. So it is means apple, you want to if you want to display all the apple in small letter, capital letter, then just click the all words only. Okay, so this is the way for finding the word. Then after finding, you need to replace the text. For replacing, just go to the edit menu, then first search box, you need to find the search, find the word, then here downside look at that replace with, one option is the replace with. So the replace with, here you need to type which word you want to replace. For example, in the previous example I told that social science, so the correct spelling you are downside you need to type here, then replace. So if you replace, you just, it will replace only the first one. Replace all means it will replace all the words. Okay, this is the use of find and replace. So this is the step only you need to study for finding. For an edit menu, click find and replace. In search box, you need to search the which word you want to find, then find and find all. You need to find write the working of match case and all words. Match case means only matching cases, or all word means it will display all the words. So after finding, you need to replace. Replace means first find edit menu, click find and replace. Then search box, you need to find the search word, then replace box, you need just to write the replace, then replace all button or replace button. Okay, this is the working of find and replace. It is very simple but important. Okay.